Hey there folks, Andrew here from Wowparts. Let's face it, car wash prices are skyrocketing, and many of us are choosing to save some cash by washing our cars at home. But to get that showroom shine, you'll need the right tools. So today, I'm showing you some awesome sponges and accessories that will make your car sparkle like new. First up, sponges. Because let's be real, they're a must-have for any car wash setup. A good sponge not only soaks up soap or wax, but also helps you evenly apply it to your car's surface. Here, I've got a 10-piece microfiber car sponge set. These are fantastic for washing, scrubbing, and even waxing. Waxing, by the way, is a super important step. It protects your car from UV rays, dirt, bird droppings, and other elements. Car wash sponges are typically larger than your typical dish sponge or bath sponge. Since you're washing something with a larger surface area, it helps to have a larger sponge to cover more ground. What makes these sponges stand out? They're high density and durable, so no crumbs are left behind while scrubbing. They're versatile, so you can use them on your car's exterior and interior. Use them on bumpers, dashboards, leather seats, and even air vents. They're also dual-sided, so both sides work seamlessly for cleaning. These sponges are an affordable, all-in-one solution for keeping your car spotless inside and out. Now, let's talk about buffing pads. If you're into car detailing or just want your car's exterior to gleam, these are a game changer. This 8-piece wool polishing pad kit is perfect for polishing, removing scratches, water spots, and oxidation. The soft, thick wool is gentle on your car's paint while being super effective. Here's why you'll love these. First, they're washable and reusable. That makes these a great value and eco-friendly. Next, they're extremely easy to use. The hook and loop backing makes pad changes a breeze, and the strong adhesive ensures firm attachment to your buffing tool or hand drill. Also, they're multi-purpose. You can use them not just for cars, but also on glass, stone, or even furniture. Whether it's restoring your car's finish or tackling other household polishing tasks, these pads have you covered. So there you have it. Just a few of the many tools and accessories you can use to wash and detail your car at home. Whether you're looking to save on car wash expenses or just enjoy the satisfaction of a DIY shine, Wowparts has everything you need to get started. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and follow us on Facebook for updates on our latest products. Thanks for watching, and happy car washing.